Hey, let me show you the best camera features on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. And the first one will be definitely the temperature sensor. Maybe it's not like a dedicated function of the camera because there's like separate sensor, but in this smartphone you can actually measure temperature of objects around you. So this is actually the quick information. You have to just accept this. Here you can find the preview, how you can actually use this, and then if you want to start measurement, you can for sure do this. You can switch between the Fahrenheit and the Celsius. So now let's go straight into the camera, and first of all we can finally use the camera pro mode. So you'll have to open the photo mode, click on the right bottom corner, and now we can finally adjust the brightness level, shadows, white balance, focus range, shutter speed, and ISO level. If you want to reset the parameters to the default, you will have to just click right here on this arrow next to right side of the slider. Now when we go back, we can find another option. This is the 50 megapixel mode, which is available right here, so we can get more details on your photos when you turn it on. Another new feature, this is the Add Me. So right now, if you don't have a tripod or another person to take photo of you, you can simply take the first photo and then take the second photo, but you have to leave the space for yourself or your friends. It depends of who is actually taking the photo first. God damn it, why it's turned off. And this is actually how it looks. This is the short preview how we can actually use this feature. Also right here, when you go into the night side, we can find the astrophotography, or maybe it wasn't in the astrophotography. Okay, I'm confused where it was. Yeah, there it is. This is the astrophotography, so it actually allows us to capture stunning photos of the night sky, and there's also short information how we can use this. So we have to place the phone on the tripod on the steady surface, and when the shutter changes from a moon to stars, and then we have to tap it and we have to capture the sky. In this phone, when we switch into the video mode, we can also find the 8 and the 4K video resolution. And we can even record videos in the 4K 60 frames per second. But if you want to use another useful feature, the video stabilization, you will have to go for the full HD, and right here we can find the active video stabilization, which is actually great for smooth video when we are on the move. It's actually great for action shots, and this is the preview how it looks. We can also find here the speech enhancement. That is really useful when you want to reduce some unwanted noises like wind, traffic, and crowds. In this smartphone, we can also find the slow motion, which is located here, and for sure we can change the speed of the slow motion by tapping right here. Wait a minute. Okay, this is actually some kind of the bug because oh, never mind, we just have this here, never mind. So there's the slow motion, we can change the speed, and here we can find the time lapse, and we can change the speed of the time lapse, but also we can change the resolution, so we can even record 4K time lapse videos. And that will be all, thanks for watching.